Hello guys, welcome back from Legends. We're in a place called Elephant Castle in London, and yeah, without further ado, let's take off. Currently a strong wind gust right now, but it isn't that windy today, but somehow a gust just came as I arrived. Alright, you know, I think the gust is alright, let's take off now.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Let's get a top down shot. Look at that.
Max
Alright, so we're
altitude
going to do a 360
reached.
photo now. Alright, let's get a tour of Elephant Castle. I decided, you know what, let's film in 60 FPS. My video is going to be much better if I film in 60. Alright, so we're shooting now. Let's go. As you can see, this is the main part of Elephant Castle. The wind's blowing this way, so I'm going to go in tailwind right now, so we don't have problems coming back. So let's go ahead. See, the drone's going really fast. The wind's actually pushing the drone. So we're going to get a orbit shot of this. Just make sure there's no buildings around. Obviously there's not. We're going to explore. You can see it anyway. Alright, let's turn back now. I'm gonna go behind the tree. Look at that. Look at these buildings here. I want to orbit this building as well. Just look at that. Got Sky Garden here. I'm gonna go to the main part. Let's explore. This is the main part of Elephant and Castle. No. Just go a little forward and that's it.
No, encontramos otro parque como el parque del Retiro allá en Pirahuenca.
Let's go. Over this way. We can go a bit forward. We explore this building as well. Look how tall it is, look. Taller than how high the drone can go. Much taller. Let's explore down here. This is the main part. This is where I'm flying from. I'm gonna go straight over now. I'm gonna get a nice shot going straight over. Alright, we'll stop right here. Amazing shot. Let's get a nice orbit shot of this building. Let's go around this building here. Yo, this building's amazing. Look at this one. Look at that amazing shot. Just trying to see up in the sky. Look at that shot. So sick. It's not sunny here at the moment. Got London, central London. Got a shot like this of central. Look at that. So I'm going sideways. I'm seeing the drone as it goes there. So we can get a sideways shot like that. Look at that. When we come back. It's going to struggle coming back because of the wind, but you know. Look at that. Alright, let's stop there. Look at that. Insane shot. A shot like this. Let's come back. Look at all this stuff here. Look. Insane. Where else can we go? We can go This way. Look at that shot.
Where's the drone?
Right there.
Where?
There.
Why can't I see it?
Dot in the sky, as you can see. I'll bring it lower so you can see it better.
Wait, I really can't see that dot.
Yeah, can you see it now?
I can see it.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh yeah!
Yeah.
How high can you go?
400 feet.
How high is that? How many times of this building?
It's not you can't go much higher than that, but
If it loses range, what happens?
it will return back to home.
Oh, it won't just drop.
Yeah, it won't drop. No.
What's the brand?
DJI.
Oh, the Chinese one.
Yeah.
What are you filming? Let me see.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude reach.
Yeah, that's the max altitude.
That is really clear quality. That.
Yep.
What is the resolution?
4K, 60 FPS.
60 FPS. Is this your profession?
Yeah.
What do you do?
I make videos.
You're a videographer.
Yeah.
Where else have you taken it?
Taking it various places across London.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
If you go to the top of these buildings, you can get an even higher view, right?
Yeah, you can get a higher view, yeah.
Wonderful. Continue the good work. Very good.
Yep. See. Oh, this time we'll go the other way. There's no wind right now. Shot of central London as we go. Might not go too far because of the wind, I just realised. And then escape. Look at that, scene shot. Where else can we go? Try and get a close shot of this building. Again. Pinged it. It's really interesting, this stone flat. Nice pilot shot. Going the other way. Alright, let me just go here. It's really hard to see and up because when it's sunny, you have to really squint to see it. Yeah. Look at that. I was looking at the drone in real life and I saw it on the screen. I thought we were going to hit something, but we're good. That is crazy though. Literally, that gave me the fright. I saw the screen from my peripheral vision, even though I could see the drone clearly. I thought it was going to get hit. Look at the plane, look how low it is. Let's look for that. Alright, let's land it now.
Battery level is low. Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
That is an amazing shot. One last shot of this. We landed.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Something is there between them because is it true that I mean like here like that's
Alright, so that's my drone flight. Thank you for watching and I'll speak to you in the next one.